Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, HAL to submit DPR report, waits for CCS clearance. The Indian multi-role helicopter, that is IMRH project proposed by the prestigious HAL, is gearing up for significant advancement in the coming months. As the detailed project report nears completion, the HAL is preparing to submit it for approval from the Cabinet Committee on Security, that is CCS, in the next month. Anticipated to receive clearance from the CCS by the last quarter of this financial year, HAL is eagerly moving forward with its vision for the IMRH. Next, India and France collaborate on ambitious Indian next-gen submarine projects. India and France have agreed to further cooperation on ambitious submarine project following the successful conclusion of the Calvary-class submarine program. This partnership hints at a closer working relationship between the two nations as they embark on India's most ambitious submarine program yet, the development of 3 nuclear attack submarines for the Indian Navy. Next, AMCA Program set to soar with India-France engine collaboration. The ambitious Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program is poised to take off following a landmark agreement between India and France to jointly co-develop a new engine for India's 5th generation AMCA fighter jet. The breakthrough might soon come when Cabinet Committee on Security grants clearance for a 15,000 crore investment in AMCA program, encompassing prototype development and flight testing. Next, Argentina might sign LOI for 20 Prachand attack helicopters with India. Argentina-based publication Pucara Communication in its latest report said that during the visit being carried out by Argentina's Defense Minister Jorge Tayana to India, the signing of the letter of intent for the purchase of 20 HAL light combat helicopters Prachand would take place. These helicopters would be distributed among the three branches of the armed forces. Next, First Barge of Series LSAM7 delivered to Indian Navy. First Barge of Series LSAM7 Yard 75 has been delivered to Indian Navy on Tuesday. This special barge was handed over to the Navy in presence of Commander Iftikhar Alam, Commanding Officer INS Tunir. The barge has been built under the classification rules of Indian Register of Shipping IRS with a service life of 30 years. Next, a strange object that washed up on Australian beach could be part of Indian rocket. A dome-shaped mysterious object was washed up on a remote Australian beach amid speculation that it could be from 20-year-old Indian rocket that was used for launching a satellite. The canister was discovered near the beach in Green Head in Western Australia, about 250 kilometers north of the city of Perth, on Saturday. When contacted by PTI, the Indian Space Research Organisation sources confirmed receipt of a formal communication from the Australian Space Agency. However, they did not provide the details. Next, PM Modi likely to address annual high-level UN General Assembly session in September. Narendra Modi is likely to address the annual high-level session of the UN General Assembly in September, according to a provisional list of speakers issued by the UN. The high-level general debate of the 78th session of the UN General Assembly will begin September 19, 2023, with Brazil as the traditional first speaker of the session, followed by the US. Next, USS Stethem conducts cooperative deployment with Indian Navy following Goa port visit. The Arleigh class guided missile destroyer USS Santham DD63 conducted a cooperative development CODEP with the Indian Navy following the ship's port visit in Goa, India on July 18th. The port visit reinforces President Biden and Prime Minister Modi's commitment to an Indo-Pacific region built on shared values and principles as we strengthen the relationship between our two countries, said U.S. Consul General Mike Hanke. Thank you.